Machine gun. No, but I mean,
There's so many more. Whatever. You try to teach me all the time.
Yeah. So, what was the question? I actually stopped drinking and really listened to what you had to say. What?
Well, that was the question.
You need to stay off the table.
What? What?
You need to stay off the table.
That's not true.
He has to stay out of numbers.
That's very